Okay, so morning guys. I've got an update on the Allister pressure washer. So we ran through the setup and first use the other day. Really disappointed. So I used it again yesterday, a couple of days later, followed the usual method of connecting it all up properly, and when I inserted the nozzle into the extending piece, so push the button, pop it in, so it's locked in place. Now normally I would expect that to create a really nice seal. Unfortunately what happened was round the join here, so not even when you come to open it up, but actually the join where it actually slots in was spraying water out through there at a fairly high rate, which meant that the sort of lower half of me got absolutely drenched. The trainers are still in the dryer, drying off, and unfortunately this is going to go back to the shop where it's purchased from for a refund. I'm probably going to swap it out for the same unit, and what I'm going to do is on the next one, when I pop this in, I'm going to leave that in. I'm not going to take that out again, because obviously that seems to be a problem for some reason. So that's it. What I'll do is give you an update on the new one. They may well just decide to change this assembly, but I doubt it. The whole unit was only £56, so that seems to be a manufacturing problem on this unit. Anyway, if you found it useful, don't forget to leave us a comment under the video, and it'd be great if you could like and subscribe. Thanks.